Si Jonathan Haidt wrote the book Happiness Hypothesis. And he described the human mind as having two components, no? Yung rider at saka yung elephant. No? So, dito sa slide na nakikita ninyo, meron tanong, who is in control? Okay? Yung rider represents your rational mind. Okay? Ito yung parte ng utak natin na gumagamit ng objectivity, ng logic, ng reasonableness in making decision. Okay? So that's your rider. The elephant, what does the elephant represent? The elephant represents your emotional mind. So what do we know about the rider and the elephant? No? Kapag ka yung elepante ay hindi motivated or motivated to do something else, there's nothing that the rational mind can do because the elephant, based on this metaphor, is more powerful and stronger than the rider. In order to manage the elephant, the rider must be skilled.